Hey guys, welcome to my video. It's CammyJOfficial, so let's start the show. My name is Cammy. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right to the video.
All right, so we are starting on freshly washed hair. Her hair was washed the day before and allowed to air dry. So I'm going to separate that big section and I'm going to grab my long spray bottle. I love the spray bottle and we'll have a link in the description box. So for the beginning of her twist, what I like to do is make sure that her hair is nice and saturated. I personally prefer to twist her hair in this manner on wet hair. I believe that the hair just comes out a lot more defined, a lot more shiny, and I'm able to just make her twist look as sleek as possible. So with that long spray bottle, you guys are going to see that I'm really ensuring that I saturate her hair and really get that water in there. Once I apply all the water, I like to take my hands and then I like to smooth the water into her natural hair, making sure that it is just becoming one with her hair and really getting in there. I really like using this technique. Next, I'm going to use the Camille Rose Fresh Curl Revitalizing Hair Smoother. I'm going to use this as her leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to take about a pump and a half, and that is the consistency, nice and creamy but lightweight. I am going to rub that up a little bit in my hands just to warm it up, and then I'm going to smooth this through her hair. So when it comes to any type of leave-in conditioner, guys, I'm always going to work it into the hair. I am never just going to let it sit there. I'm going to use my hands to work that in. Now I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb, which is my favorite detangling tool, and I'm going to start at the ends of her hair. I'm going to detangle the ends first, get them a bit loosened up, and I am just going to use just that gentle motion there with my hands on my wrist, and then I'm going to move on to the top of her hair to detangle it. So detangling the hair is definitely a must if you want the twist to look nice and sleek as well. So just to make sure that there are no like lumps and bumps or anything in there, if you want the hair to look nice and good and smooth when you are doing your twist, then you definitely want to take your time to detangle. So as you can see, the wide tooth comb did a very good job. So now I'm going to separate that section and make it a bit smaller, like so, and getting that section prepared and out of the way. And I'm going to hit it, yes, with more water because you never want the hair to dry out when you're doing this. Now I'm going to grab my wet brush, and this is the Princess Tiana wet brush. I love this for the hair. So you're going to see me use this as a secondary detangler slash hair smoother. So I like to do this after detangling with the wide tooth comb because it really allows the hair to get smooth and sleek, and it also helps to define the hair even further. So I'm just going to do this until I feel her hair feels nice and smooth as possible. Then I'm going to move on to the styler. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Curling Mousse. I've definitely been loving mousses lately. So I'm going to take about 2 pumps, and that is the consistency of the mousse right there. And I am again going to work that in to her hair. Again, with any product that I am using as a styler or a leave-in conditioner, I'm always going to use my hands to work that in. So now you guys are going to see my twist process. This is how I get her twist to look nice and smooth and very uniform as well. So as I am twisting her hair, you can notice that I like to pull the hair straight down as I am twisting. This ensures that the hair actually stays nice and straight and smooth, so that way when the full twist is done, it is just a nice, smooth, and just like very defined twist. So now you're going to see me just continue to twist, and I'm going to fast forward you through this part because she does have tailbone length hair. So twisting her hair for me does take a little bit of time to get everything all the way twisted down to the very ends. So this is how the twist looks. It is a nice shiny twist, and it is very smooth, it is very consistent, and it feels very soft and very good. So now I'm going to move on to that next section. Again, anytime you want to get like these nice, sleek, shiny twists, these juicy twists, you want to make sure that you are adding water to the process. And now again, taking that wet brush, I'm going to just smooth out her hair, and again, do it as smooth as you desire it. Now taking that foam again, I am going to smooth that into her hair, making sure that I work it in and making sure that it is touching every part of that section. So it feels really good, nice and soft. And again, you are going to see me use that same twisting technique. Now, I would say the key to, getting nice, shiny, juicy twist is just to make sure you're using the right product for you. Some people like to twist with gel, some like foam, some like cream. I say go for whatever works for you. I really do enjoy twisting with foams because I just feel like they get the hair nice and shiny and it makes it look super good but defined and giving it like a nice, healthy, fluffy look as well. So that part is done, and guys, you can already see like how shiny the twist look already because the mousse does have like some properties in it that does give it that additional shine. So now I'm going to move on to the next section. Again, grab that long spray bottle or whatever spray bottle that you have and really saturate the hair. I always tell people when it comes to natural hair length retention that water is your friend and you cannot go wrong with water, and that has really been a key part of my daughter's length retention routine. 99% of her styles are always done on wet hair because I just feel like the outcome when it dries is really beautiful. So again, we are going to smooth that water through and make sure that it's touching everything. So once that is done, I break it into that smaller section and make sure that, again, I am working through that conditioner in her hair, the leave-in conditioner that we have from Camille Rose. Once that's done, again, we do want to take our wide tooth comb and just begin the process to detangle her natural hair. Guys, comment below and let me know what products do you like to use in either your hair or your child's natural hair when it comes to doing nice juicy twist. I am always up for recommendations for new products, and I do not mind, trying and testing out new products as well. So I like to get her hair, fairly detangled. Again, I'm not being rough or anything, just making sure I am being gentle and working that section down. This is also a key step for me when it comes to her length retention routine as well. So now that we have that there, add additional water. Never be afraid to add water, guys. And now we are going to smooth that out again with our Princess Tiana wet brush. I love this brush. It is so affordable and it gets the job done. Like, who does not love those two in combination? Now, once I have done that, again, we are going to add our mousse, work that in very well with our hands and our fingers. And once the hair feels like it is saturated with the mousse, I am going to begin the process of twisting that down. Now, the good thing I can say about using mousse for twists, guys, is that you really can't overdo it. The majority of mousses that I've used for natural hair definitely tell you that you can be generous with the general amount of mousse that you use. So that is why mousse right now is kind of like my styler of choice for doing twist. So that section is done and her hair is looking really nice and shiny and very rope-like. So for this section here, again, we're going to just repeat that process one more time, working that water in and getting everything done for her natural hair. So guys, this is typically how my daughter wears her hair to school. She either wears her hair in twist or we will do her hair in braids. That is pretty much the extent of the hairstyles that we do for now because it's just easy for me to refresh those hairstyles throughout the week. And really, once I set her twist again, it's really like a low maintenance, low manipulation type of hairstyle that I can really keep up with and really manage, especially since she has tailbone length natural hair. So again, take that wet brush and smooth the hair down really nice as possible, getting it nice and sleek. So of course, add that styling agent again, that mousse, and then twist your heart away. And now that section is done, that little back section. So you can see the twists are still nice, shiny, and they look really good. And this is her whole total head of hair completely done. As you can see, she really does have a lot of hair, but her twists look nice and full. They feel really good, and they are nice and juicy without having to use 57 million different products. So I do allow her hair to air dry overnight. She doesn't really like sitting under any type of dryers. So when that happens, I just like to get this nice satin bonnet. As you guys can see right here, this is a must too for length retention because the bonnet comes through to save the day, I promise you. So she is going to enjoy her day with her bonnet on, and her hair is going to dry. And guys, this is a picture of her hair the next day when it is fully dry. So as you can see, her twists look very thick. They look very nice, and they look very uniform as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that notification bell so you know whenever I post more videos. But as always, stay blessed, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.